welcome to Cooking While Drunk. Thanks for watching. My name is Tony. I am your drunk, and I will be very soon. We're gonna make a quick dish. We're gonna make spaghetti squash carbonara, or carbonara inspired spaghetti squash. But first, we gotta get the proper motivation. So in here I have some muddled watermelon, seeds and all. I'm gonna add a couple sprigs of chocolate mint. Let's give that a bit of a muddle just to kind of crush it up. This watermelon was good. It was like a dinosaur-sized egg. So I just started cutting it up. I think I'm gonna try and save some of the rind and do some quick pickle watermelon rind. There we go. To that, I'm going to add 6 ounces, because this is for 2 people, of vodka. Today we're just using Smirnoff, you know, nothing special, nothing fancy. 2 and 3. A couple cubes of ice. My hands are clean. And a couple cubes for our glass. We're going to top it. Give it a shake. Shake, 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 boom, shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Once it gets nice and frosted, you know it's nice and cold. Let's see. Save some ice for her glass. We're going to pour a drizzle of simple syrup, ever so lightly, just because I feel like I want it extra, a little sweeter. Strain. We're going to top it off with some soda water, plain soda water. And there you have it. For the camera lady, top it off. Cheers. That is good. Alright, so I'll be back in 1 minute. I'm just going to reset real quick and we'll be ready to rock and roll with our carbonara inspired spaghetti squash. Alright, welcome back. So here we have 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. Easiest way to do the egg is the whole egg you go in. The second egg you can either do with the shells and go back and forth gently, and I put the egg white in a separate container because you can actually freeze these and use these later on. They freeze very well. Or you can do your hand, like crack the egg over a bowl and just let the egg white drip through. So 1 egg plus 1 egg white. You can. This is fontina cheese. I don't have any parmesan or pecorino. We're just gonna whisk this up together real quick until it gets a little creamy. So in the pan also I have heating up is some bacon fat, because I never throw that out. See how that looks? And this is in the style of traditional carbonara. No cream, no garlic. I really wanted to add garlic, but I'm like, let me try this recipe first before I move on. So I'm going to add some of the bacon drippings to temper the eggs. Okay, put that back over. Let that continue to heat up. And this will just help temper the egg so when we add it to the noodles, I guess you can call it, it won't just seize up and curdle and basically become scrambled eggs. Alright, to the pan I'm going to add, this is one spaghetti squash that's you split down the middle, just a little oil, a little salt, put it inverted into a baking dish for 375 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour. This one took about a little over an hour. Get a spoon and just pull it out and use a knife or a fork to shred it up. So now we're going to put this into the pan with the bacon drippings. Give it a little stir. I'm actually going to turn the heat up now a little bit. There we go. And also they'll release a little more liquid, but they'll also absorb that yummy, delicious bacon fat. So at this point now you want to season, salt. Not too much because the bacon's already salty. Some fresh ground black pepper, and I put it down to my finest setting. There we go, just not too much because my kid doesn't like black pepper. Well, she might not even like this dish, but we'll see. Now we're going to add in, we're going to kill the heat. We're going to add our egg mixture. And we're just going to keep stirring it, and it will cook the egg at the same time. Fold it in. And the residual heat is going to cook the egg. Just give it a nice stir. So I'm trying to stand to the left so camera lady, my wife, Elizabeth, can get into there. You can see how it's like, it even loosened up a little bit. Kind of fold it over, scoop and fold. And just give it a little cut, scoop and fold. I think it needs a little more salt, but let's see what the camera person says.
More salt.
Get another hit of salt. Give that another stir. And that is it. Now I'm just going to boil it up. I'm going to add some sliced chilies on top of mine just because, well, I can, because we have some. Real quick. For me, I do want a little bit of some flat leaf parsley.
Mom.
There we go. And there you go. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. In the comments, let me know what you want me to make. I'm open to new ideas. This is something I just came up with today. Never thought about making a carbonara before. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Find me there. You'll find all my videos. You'll find new stuff all the time. Cheers. You guys have a good week.